In this video, we'll be looking at how to replace an audit document from the document library. In some circumstances, work programs or audit documents may need to be replaced on an audit file. In this example, the investments work program was initially considered immaterial. However, the audit partner has requested that we include this again. To reinstate the document, select the Home tab from the toolbar, then select the From Library drop-down. Alternatively, you can select the Document tab on the toolbar, then select the same From Library drop-down option. Within the drop-down, select the appropriate template for your audit file. This will load the document library for the template and display all documents available. To add in a document, locate it, select it, and then select the Add button on the left-hand side. This will then add the document back into your audit file. This method can be used to bring in a fresh version of any audit document. For more videos and other useful information, visit our YouTube or LinkedIn pages by searching for CaseWare Client Services. Alternatively, you can visit our knowledge base or speak to our support team using the information shown on screen.